Today, we're going to be making elevator swag for some reason. You guys were spamming me for it, so who am I to go against the people? So obviously the first thing we need is a vibraphone. If you don't know what that is, you'll know it as the elevator instrument. This thing. Let's just get a little melody down. What a great instrument. Seriously. Can we get some love for the vibraphone in the comments, please? Let's go to half step and add a little note here. Feel like you're in an elevator yet? Well, wait, hold on. You are in an elevator. What the hell? Do you need me to call someone to get you out? Oh, wait, no, sorry, that's just me. I was just looking at my camera feed. All right, let's add some drums. This vibraphone has no idea what's about to hit it. Let's get the kick down. I'm going to shorten this one to make it like a doo-doo. So we've got the snare, another snare layer, rim for a transient, and some Foley for texture. It's very subtle. Let me just turn it up so you can hear it. I want some real sounding hats, so I'm going to look for R&B. Woo, that's fire! Obviously, we need some bossa nova shakers. Let's grab that. Ooh, that's nice. Shorten the release. If this played on an elevator, they'd be like, they'd say, sorry guys, elevator's out of order. It's on fire. Just a bit of humour. What comes up if I just search for elevator vibraphone? That kind of gives me like pre-drop vibes. I'll come back to that later. There's actually a really interesting history behind elevators. Basically, in 236 BC, Archimedes invented them. Effect from then on, and funnily enough, that's actually why humans only have 10 fingers. Just goes to show, doesn't it? Get some strings. Time for a bass. Let's copy this to a double bass for a bit of a jazzy feel. And this resonant bass, but I cut the lows. I'm going to automate the resonant bass volume. It just adds some dynamics and makes it sound a bit more real. Very subtle. Let's merge these patterns with Control G. If it looks like I'm sweating, by the way, it's because I am. You got me wearing a puffer jacket in a heat wave. Right, let's see what it sounds like. This has got to be in the top 4 million beats that I've ever made. Let me know in the comments if you agree. And while you're down there, you might as well subscribe. 1000% of you aren't subscribed. It's free, so you might as well. Horns! We need horns! Sorry, I actually don't know what just came over me then. Whew, that's hard. I've been telling you guys to stop sleeping on me. No, seriously, get off me. I'm not a bed. We do have fun here. Some sax. Couple effects. Obviously had to add this. Alright, I told you I was going to bring this back, so let's do it. Let's kind of make it into a pre-drop with drums and stuff, and I don't know why. brush drums would be fire. Let's get some rides in there. Turn this one down. Let's add some swing. Copy this. Ah, the Queen would have loved this one. New vibraphone pattern. Layer it with an electric piano. I'm not saying I'm the GOAT. All I'm saying is I don't hear anyone calling me not calling me the GOAT. Guitar. Strings. New bass pattern. That might be the best thing I've ever made. I can hear this little thing in this silent beat. Copy it to a guitar and a flute. I forgot to say I've got the swing knob cranked up on the channel rack. This is without any swing. Max swing. You can hear the difference, right? It adds a lot of groove. It's most obvious on this bit. I can hear a trill here. And I'll bring these strings back in from earlier. I'm actually enjoying making this, which is surprising considering I haven't been in an elevator since the incident. Anyway, flute. Vox. More sax. Crash. Hat. Obviously need this elevator ding. And this.
First floor. Doors closing.
Now I know you guys are going to kick off if I don't put this in there somewhere. So let me try and make it tolerable for this beat. Shorten it. Turn all this on. I take back what I said earlier. This might be the best thing I've ever made. Who is he? Call me Pod by Jazz from now on. Jazz by Circus or something. And we'll just whack some, and we'll just whack some vinyl crack all over everything. If you want to try Co-Producer, make sure you check out the link in the description. You can try it for free and also get 50% off your first month. It's honestly an insane plugin. I found so many fire samples using it.